Students, in part 1 video, we are going to see chapter 4 geometry. Okay, in this geometry chapter, we are going to see both theoretical geometry and as well as the practical geometry. Isn't it? Okay, now before entering into this chapter, let us see about the introduction. Okay, the study, why we are studying geometry? First tell me that. Why we are studying geometry? We are studying geometry to concern with knowing properties of various shapes and structures. Isn't it? For that reason we are studying the geometry. Okay. In mathematics we are having two oldest branches. Can you tell me what are the two oldest branches in mathematics? The two oldest branches in mathematics are arithmetic and geometry. So these are the two oldest branches of mathematics. The one is arithmetic and the another one is geometry. Okay. In this geometry chapter, the first concept we are going to see similarity. Okay. I hope you have come across the word similarity from 8th standard onwards. Isn't it? Okay. But still we'll know about why we are studying the similarity is similarity we are used to find width of a river. Okay, width of a river. For finding width of the river, we are using the similarity, and finding the height of trees and much more. To know more, we are using this similarity condition. Okay, now we'll see the first concept, similarity. What do you mean by the similarity is two figures are said to be similar if every aspect of one figure is proportional to other figure. Okay, in every aspect that one figure has to be proportional. Okay, proportional means you all know it should be in if the corresponding sides should be same. Okay, proportional to other figure they are saying. Okay, so I'll tell you an example. Student, all of you, now you are having what type of mobile? Everyone is having touch mobile. What is the shape of the touch mobile? It is in rectangle, isn't it? So, similarly you take the button phone. Previously we were using button phone, isn't it? What is the shape of that button phone? It is also a rectangle. So, that's what they are saying. Two figures are said to be similar if every aspect of one figure is proportional to other figure. Clear? So, in similar condition, they are saying that whatever the shape, it should be a same shape but not same size, isn't it? But if you see in that example, we are using touch mobile. It is 5 inch like that. But if you see before we were using that button phone, it is what? I think it will be very short. So both are rectangle, but what? Both are what? Different size, isn't it? So that to knowing this, we are going to see about similarity. Clear all of you? Okay. Now after we are going to see about what is similar triangle and what is congruent triangle. Okay, we are going to see about. Okay, now first we will see similar triangle. Student, this is very important concept. So listen carefully. Okay, see here I have drawn here two triangles. Isn't it? If you see here the first triangle I have given name A, B, C. The second triangle is P, Q, R. Okay, so how can if the two triangles are similar means how I have to write means like this wavelength you have to put in between. If the two triangles are similar, how can we write this? Triangle ABC. This line denotes what? Similar. Like this wavelength you have to put triangle PQR. Clear? Okay. Next, the condition for similar triangles are what? Here, see here, I have written here angle 1. See in this triangle where we are having angle 1 here. So, I can write directly angle A is equal to angle P. Okay. Next, in this triangle I am having 2 here, 2 angle. Here I am having angle 2. So, angle B is equal to angle Q. Okay. Then I am having angle 3 in C, and this triangle I am having angle 3 in R. So angle C is equal to angle R. Okay. The next, what is, if you see the side, okay, if you see this AB, it will be around 5 centimeter. But if you see the side of PQ, it will be only 3 centimeter. I think so. I am not telling exactly, near to that I am telling value. Okay. So, but this side and this side are equal? No. AB is not equal to PQ. How you have to choose is, here angle 1, here angle 2. Similarly, in this triangle, you have to see where angle 1 and angle 2. So, therefore AB, the corresponding side is PQ. Clear all of you? AB, the corresponding side is what? PQ. So, AB is not equal to PQ. Similarly, baseline BC 2, 3. Similarly, where here 2, 3? Here 2, 3. BC is not equal to QR. Then last, CA is not equal to RP. Isn't it? This is somewhat bigger, then this is somewhat small. So the size is not same. But the shape is what? Both are having what shape? Triangle shape. So similar triangles means same shape but not same size. Clear? Okay. What are the conditions? First condition, we have to see the angle, then we have to see the side. Then the third condition is we have to write in the corresponding sides in the same ratio we have to write. Okay. So, if you see here AB 1, 2, what is the proportional, what is the corresponding side for this AB is PQ. So, you have to write AB divided by PQ. Okay. Similarly, 2, 2, 3. Here where 2, 3 here. So, BC divided by QR. Clear all of you? Then equal to the last two, 3, 1. So, CA. Here 3, 1 where? RP. So, CA divided by RP. So, these values can be greater than 0, greater than 1 or less than 1. Okay. Similar triangle means it should have same shape but not same size. Okay. Similar, now we will see, now next we will see about congruent triangle. Okay, the congruent, how we will denote the congruent means you have to put the wave line and you have to put below that 2 equal to symbol. Okay, so if you see here also I have taken triangle ABC, there if you see it is PQR. When if you see this triangle, both are same shape but not same size. But there if you see that both the triangle, both are what? Same shape, same size for congruent triangle. Clear? So, the same, what are the condition we use? The same condition we use for the congruent also. Clear? What I have written here? Angle A. Angle 1 here, there angle 1 is P. So, angle A is equal to angle P. Comma. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Third angle is what? C. Angle C is equal to angle R. Clear? Then AB, the corresponding side 1, 2, where 1, 2? PQ. So AB is equal to PQ. Next BC, that where QR. CA is equal to RP. Okay. So the AB, for AB, what is the corresponding side? That side? PQ. AB divided by PQ is equal to, similarly BC divided by QR is equal to CA divided by RP is equal to 1. Clear all of you? But for similar triangle, this is greater than 1 or it can be less than 1. What is the difference between similar triangle and congruent triangle is, similar triangle will have same shape but not same size. But when you come to congruent triangle, it will have both same shape and same size. Clear? Whenever we are saying if the two triangles are similar, we immediately will use this 3 condition. Okay? Next we will see the criteria of similarity. Okay, before that I want to tell you one. Why we are studying this congruent triangle is, congruency is a particular case of similarity. in similarity in particular case we use this congruent triangle. Okay, now how we will denote this similar triangle means how we will denote? We will put only one wave line. Congruent triangle means you have to put top one wave line, below that you have to put equal to. Clear? The symbol for congruent and similar triangle. Next we are going to see criteria of similarity. Students, whatever I am teaching, you just copy down in your classwork so that you will be easy for revising. Okay, next we are going to see about criteria of similarity. Students, so far we have seen about similar triangles and congruent triangles, isn't it? Okay, now what is the congruent triangle and similar triangle difference is, in congruent triangle, the corresponding sides are equal. But in similar triangle, the corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, that is the difference. Okay, now we are going to see about criteria of similarity. Okay, from 8th standard onwards we have learned, isn't it, this criteria, but we will see now clearly and detailedly. Now the first criteria is AA criteria of similarity, and the second criteria is SAS criterion of similarity, and the last criterion is SSS criterion of similarity. AA criterion means what? Means angle criterion of similarity. Okay, the SAS means side, S means side, angle side criterion of similarity. Triple S means side. SSS criterion of similarity. Why we are using this criteria means, to say two triangles are similar, based on this criterion we can say that the two triangles are similar. Okay, now we'll learn about the concept. When we are applying this concept in formula means you will be very clear. Okay, now we'll see the first criteria, AA criterion of similarity. By the word itself you are able to understand. AA means what? Angle. So what they are saying is, if two angles of one triangle, they are saying two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle. Okay, if you see this first triangle ABC, here how many angles I have marked here? This is first one, angle 1. This is second, angle B, I have marked as angle 2. So what is saying? In one triangle, two angles of one triangle. So two angles of, this is first triangle, is equal to two angles of another triangle are similar because of another triangle when the two triangles are similar. Okay, if you see the first triangle, angle A is what? I am going to put box. Box means what? This A and angle P are what? 90 degree. Then they are saying here also angle 2 we are having, here also angle 2 we are having. So we can write angle B is equal to angle Q. So if the two angles are equal in one triangle, then obviously the third angle is also equal. Okay, that only they are saying. Because the third angle in both the triangle must be equal. If the two angles are equal means then the third angle also must be equal. Then what? AA criterion is same as the AAA criterion. AAA is nothing but angle. Similarity of criterion. We can say AA criterion of similarity. Otherwise we can say AAA criterion of similarity. Triple angle similar criterion of similarity we can say. Okay, so now how we are saying these two triangles are similar means, first we all know here we are having angle 1 and here also we are having angle 1. So I can write angle A is equal to angle B. I have written angle A is equal to angle B is equal to what angle I have marked? 1. So I have written 1. And angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 2. Then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by what condition? This angle is equal to this angle is equal to this this angle. So totally how many angle? 2 angle. So angle criterion of similarity and triangle ABC is similar. See, I have written here one wave line. Okay, one wave line you have to put. Triangle PQR. Clear? Clear, students? Next we are going to see about SAS criterion of similarity. SAS criterion of similarity means side angle side criterion. Okay, in this what they are saying is one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle, and if the side including them are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. Okay, what is saying is, students see carefully here, I have marked here one line, which means similarly see that triangle where I have marked that one mark like that marking. So first one marking is here and here. Similarly double marking is here and here. So how can we write this? And they are given in this figure is here angle 1 and here angle 1. So I can write angle A is equal to angle B equal to 1. Okay. See where is one marking? Single marking where AB. Similar where in the triangle where is one marking? So here AB, the similar corresponding sides are proportionally similar. I told you no now. So for AB, where is the corresponding side is QP, because here marked 1 and here also marked 1. So AB divided by QP. Clear all of you? You should not write AB divided by RQ. You should not write. Okay, you have to see where the sides are equal. Here one line, one marking is there. Similarly, here also one marking is there. So AB, the corresponding side is what? QP. Okay, so we have to write in the proportional. Proportional in the sense we have to write in the divide form, ratio form, is equal to. Then double marking where we are having AC. That side where double marking we are having RP. Okay, RP or PR. So here double marking is AC is equal to PR. I have written in this triangle double marking is PR. Okay, the sides including them are now proportional. So how can I say? Students see here AB is one side, A is one angle and another side. So side, angle, side. So SAS criterion, we can say that the two triangles are similar. Clear? Now if you see here side, angle, side. Yes, A, yes. So SAS criterion, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Okay. Then the last criterion is triple S criterion of similarity. Triple S criterion of similarity. Triple S means what is side, side, side. Okay. In this what they are saying is three sides of a triangle. Three sides of a triangle are proportional to the three corresponding sides of another triangle. Then the two triangles are similar. Okay, see here where single marking is there, AB, this line. Similarly in this triangle where we are having single marking PQ. So therefore AB, the corresponding side is PQ. So AB divided by PQ we have written. Clear? Where is double marking in this triangle? BC. This side where is double marking? QR. So the BC, the corresponding side is QR. So we can write BC divided by QR. Where is triple marking? AC here we are. Here this side we are having PR. For AC the corresponding side is PR. So I am writing AC divided by PR. Then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here students, all of you, about the criterion of similarity. This will help you to do the problem. Okay, where you can use any criteria in any problem. Okay, now we'll see next about the. Now we'll see exercise 4.1. Okay, then still some more definition is we are having. Wherever we need, that time I will write and show you and I will explain you. Now we are going for the chapter 4 exercise 4.1. Based on this criteria similarity, we are going to solve the problem. Student, in exercise 4.1, this is our first question. In first question, we are having two subdivision. First, we are going to see about first subdivision. Okay. So, what we have learned about similarity condition? Similar, if the two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides are what? Proportional. Okay. Then the corresponding sides are proportional, we have learned. Okay. Based on that, we are going to use now the problem. If you see, this is the first question diagram. So, in this what we have given is AE value is 2, EC value is 3, 1 by 2, which means 3 and half. Okay. Similarly, AD value is 3, DB value is 5. Everything the value they have given in the book itself. That is your question. Okay. Now, if you by seeing this triangle, can you able to recognize two triangle? The first triangle is triangle ADE. Okay, the first triangle is ADE, and the second triangle is this full triangle ABC. Okay, the first triangle is ADE, then the second triangle is ABC. Similar means we need two triangles, isn't it? So from the given diagram we are drawing two triangles. Okay, then what is AD value they are given? 3. Okay, the slanting triangle, it is now straight. Okay, now what is the value of DE? We don't know, so I have not written anything here. AE value is 2. Okay, next, what is that? Next I have drawn the full triangle ABC. See here, ABC. Okay, now what is the value of A to B? Means what you say? You have to add 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 answer is what? 8. So AB side is 8. Then similarly, what is BC? We don't know, so I have not written anything. Now come to AC. Here what we are having? 2 plus 3 and half. 2 plus 3 and half value is what? 5 and half. So 5 1 by 2 I have written. This A to C, if they are asking, means you have to add this 2 value. Similarly, A to B means you have to add 3 plus 5. We are writing 8. Clear all of you how we are writing the value 8 and 5 by 1, 5 and half? Okay, now we are going to solve. What in first question, what they are asking to check is, check whether which triangle are similar and find the value of x. Students, in first subdivision we are having two triangles. We want to check the two triangle, in which triangle is similar we want to find the value of x. If you see in the first subdivision, first question, we don't have anywhere x. So for this question, we no need to find the x value. For second subdivision only, we have to find the x value. That time we will see. Now we will see the first subdivision. Okay. Now what I told you, if the two triangles are similar means, then what? The corresponding sides should be proportional, isn't it? We are going to check now. So by checking, I am writing here the corresponding side. For AD, what is the corresponding side? AB. So I have written AD divided by this AB. Clear all of you? The AD corresponding side is AB. Similarly, DE base line I am taking. DE corresponding side is BC is equal to. Last one is AE corresponding side is AC. Clear all of you? We are writing. Okay, similar condition. Then afterwards you are going to see for what you have to take any two. So if you see here DE and BC, we don't have any value. So we are leaving this DE and BC. We are taking AD divided by AB is equal to AE divided by AC. Any among this three you can make it pair any. You can make pair this 2 or this 2 or this and this. But for which two you are taking, for that you have to have some values. Still for DE and BC, we don't have any values. We are leaving this and we are taking this 2. AD divided by AB is equal to AE divided by AC. That we are taking. Now, what is the value of AD? We are having 3. So I have written here 3. Divided by, what is the value of AB? 8 we are having. So I have written here 8 is equal to, AE value is what? 2. So I have written 2. AC value is 5 1 by 2. So I have written 5 1 by 2. Okay, 5 1 by 2 is what? It is in mixed fraction. To convert into normal fraction, what you will do? 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 is what? 11 by 2. So next step, we are writing this side as such. 3 by 8 is equal to 2 divided by 5 1 by 2 means what? 11 by 2. Next step, what will happen? Here 2 only we are having. Any denominator we are having? No. So you consider that denominator as 1 and this 11 by 2 what will become? It will become reciprocal. Reciprocal means 2 by 11. Otherwise you can directly take this 2 goes up, 2 into 2 divided by 11. Okay. So 3 by 8 what is equal to 2 2s are 4 by 11. Whether 3 by 8 is equal to 4 by 11? No. 3 by 8 is not equal to 4 by 11. By seeing this what? If the two triangles are similar means the corresponding side should be proportional. But we are getting here not equal. So which says that this triangle ADE is not similar to triangle ABC. Here so that we have written triangle ADE is not similar to triangle ABC. Suppose if you are getting equal means you can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. But here we are not getting similar, we are not equal. So we have to write triangle ADE is not similar to triangle ABC. Clear student? We will see in first subdivision, second sum we will see now. This is our first subdivision, first sum, second subdivision. Okay, in first sum, second subdivision, this is the diagram. Okay, if you see in this diagram, what they have given is A, B, C. And another triangle, what we are going to take as P, Q, C. Clear students? We want to prove similar means we need two triangles. So, but we are given in one triangle only your question. From that we have to take two triangles. Okay. First we are taking P, Q, C. I have drawn here separately. Then we have to take whole triangle. Full triangle is what? A, B, C. I have written A, B, C. Clear all of you? So, we want to check these two triangles are similar. If similar, we want to find the value of x. That only they are asking in the question. Okay. So, first what we are going to do is, for here if you see here B value exactly, B angle exactly they are given as 70 degree. But if you see here Q value is of value only they have given 110. Remaining of we don't have. First we want to find the remaining of, isn't it? So from lower class we have learned that what is the angle, what is the straight angle, what is the angle of straight angle? We will say 180 degree. Students, in that if you see here Q is in straight line. So one of we are having, what will be a remaining of? To find that what we are writing first we want to find this. Okay, so what we are writing is B, Q, P. We are writing B, this Q part, how it is divided? B, Q, P one part, another this part, then another this part is what? P, Q, C. So we can write B, Q, P plus P, Q, C. So that we will get this full of. So what is the angle of straight angle is 180 degree. So after writing this we have written 180 degree. What is the value of one of the Q? 110. So 110, this P, Q, C, this side we don't know. So you keep as such, equal to 180 degree. So P, Q, C is equal to 180 minus 110 is what? 70 degree. So from this angle we came to know that this angle is what? Now this angle we came to know that this is 70 degree. This is not in your book. We have found this value 70 degree. Okay, now only we are entering into similar property. Okay, I have drawn here two triangle. First see the two triangle. What is commonly we are having? If you see here, in this triangle also C is we are having. In this triangle also we are having C. So I can write PCQ is equal to, if I am taking here from PCQ means like that, here also you have to take ACB. Okay, you should not interchange. Now if I am taking PQC, okay, PCQ I am taking. What I am taking? PCQ. Here also C we are having is equal to ACB. So in bracket you can write it is what? Common angle. Okay. Next we are now proved what? PQC. This angle is 70 degree. So I have written here Q is 70 degree. Now only we have found, isn't it? Q is 70 degree and B already they have given 70 degree. Now you see here also 70 degree, here also 70 degree, which means what? Angle Q is equal to angle B, isn't it? So I have written angle PQC, what 70 degree is equal to ABC. So only I have written here PQC is equal to ABC is equal to 70 degree. Okay. So students, we have seen criterion, isn't it? What are the criterion we have seen? AA criterion. Now this that criterion is else here, isn't it? Here one angle, then here another angle. What that AA criterion tells? Tell me. What AA criterion says is, if two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar, isn't it? If two angles of one triangle is equal to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are what? Similar. So by AA criterion, triangle PQC is similar. Wavelength line you have to similar to triangle ABC. Okay. Once it is similar, the corresponding sides what? It's proportional. So students, you can write. How can you write this? First you take this PQ. Then there what you are having? You can write PQ first take. There first two is what? AB. So the PQ divided by AB you can easily write. Next is QC. Where there next to BC. So QC divided by BC. Next we are taking first and last. PC. There first and last is what? AC. So if the two triangles are similar, the corresponding sides are what? Proportional. Okay, students, I have told you before itself, in first subdivision you have to see among these three we have to take any two. See here for PC and AC we don't have any value, which means the last one we are not having any value. So you leave that last one, we are taking this two alone. Okay, now what is the value of PQ? We are having X. So I have written X. What is the value of AB? We are having 5. So I have written here X by 5 is equal to QC value is 3, BC value is, students, B from B to C means what? You have to add this 2. So 3 plus 3. So only I have written here that is for your understanding. I have written this. You no need to write 3 plus 3. You can straightly write 6. How would the value 6 came? All of you understand? Because from B to C if you want to go, you have to add this 3 plus 3 and we have got 6. So once if we cancel 3 by 6 we will get 1 by 2. Afterwards we are doing cross multiplication. 2 into x is 2x, 5 into 1 is 5. So x is equal to 5 by 2. From that this value of x is this line, x value is 2.5. Clear all of you? Okay, now next we are going to prove the second sum. Second question. What is the second question is, a girl looks the reflection of the top of the lamp post on the mirror which is 66 meters away from the foot of the lamp post. What they are saying, a girl is seeing the reflection. Okay, from the lamp post reflection she is seeing in the mirror. Okay, the girl whose height is 12.5 meter is standing 2.5 meter away from the mirror. Assuming the mirror is placed on the ground facing the sky, and the girl, mirror and the lamp post are in a same line. Find the height of the lamp post. Will you able to understand this question? Okay, after understanding the question, you itself have to draw the diagram. The diagram will not be given in your book. You itself have to draw your diagram. See, what they are saying, I have considered this is the lamp post. This is the mirror M and this is the girl. Okay, the girl, mirror and the lamp post should be in what? Same line. See, the girl is here, the mirror is here, the lamp post here. Everything is in same line. And in what they are saying is, the girl height will be here, no. So she is seeing the mirror. By that time, she is able to see the lamp post in that mirror. Okay, the mirror is facing the sky. Okay, but the girl height they have given, and the distance between the girl and the mirror also they have given in the question. Similarly, the distance between the lamp post and the mirror also they have given in the question. But what they are asking us to find is the height of the lamp post. This is the lamp post. See, this is the lamp I have drawn here. So they are asking to find the height of the lamp post. Clear all of you about this question? Okay, this lamp post is be seen by this mirror. That girl is seeing from here. Okay, you consider this is angle of incidence. Okay, in physics you have learned, isn't it? Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Isn't it? From the mirror, the girl is able to see the reflection. The mirror, the lamp post. Clear all of you the question? Okay, now AB I have taken as height of the lamp post. Similarly, CD, the CD is equal to height of a girl. AB value is what is? AB is equal to height. H. Since we don't know the height of the lamp post, I have taken the value as H. Okay, CD is nothing but what we have taken height of a girl. Height of a girl is what? 12.5 meter. The distance between the lamp post and the mirror is 66 meters. So BM is equal to 66 meter. Similarly, the distance between the mirror and the girl is 2.5 meter. So MD is equal to 2.5 meter. Okay. First we are taking this triangle and separately this triangle. We want to show that these two triangles are similar. If the two triangles are similar, then we can easily find the height of the lamp post. Okay. First we will say that the two triangles are similar. Students, I have taken this two triangle ABM and CBM. I have drawn separately. See, when you are standing in the ground, what will be your angle? What will be your angle? It will be 90 degree. Similarly, here also 90 degree. This is lamp post, no? So here also 90 degree. The girl is also standing in the ground, so our angle is also 90 degree. So angle B and angle D is what? 90 degree. Okay, then if you see here in both the triangle, M we are having commonly, isn't it? M is what? And this from here if it comes, it is angle of incident. From here it goes, it is an angle of reflection. Okay, so to prove to prove the two triangles are similar, we are having how many criteria? We are having three criteria. What are the first criteria? AA criterion, or otherwise AAA criterion. Second criterion is what? SAS, side angle side. Third one is what? SSS, triple S criterion. Based on the three criteria, we can say that the two triangles are similar. Okay, we will see first. We have got angle B and angle D is equal to 90 degree. In both the triangle we are having M. That M is what? Angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. In both the triangles, since we are having M, it is what? Common angle. Otherwise, angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. So, what the first criterion says? First criterion says two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two triangles of another triangle when the two triangles are similar. Okay, so based on the AA criterion, we are saying these two triangles are similar. So, how can we write now? AB divided by, how can we write now? First AB, the proportional side is what, another CD. So, AB divided by CD. Next you can take BM, there you can take DM. BM divided by DM. Then next first and last AM divided by CM. Okay, after writing three sides, we have to take any two. Okay, so to make it 2, you have to see which side we don't have any value. We don't have value for AM, similarly for CM. So we can neglect the last one, we can take this 2. Okay, so I have written there AB divided by CD is equal to BM divided by DM. Okay, students, what is the value of AB? H divided by, what is the value of CD? 12.5 is equal to BM value is 66, DM value is 2.5. We have to do cross multiplication. You all know cross multiplication, isn't it? If you are doing cross multiplication, h into 2.5 is equal to 12.5 into 66. If you are multiplying 12.5 into 66, we will get 825.0. Since with 0 will not consider, so I have not taken that 0. So next step 2.5 will go down. So since we have after decimal one number, and since we have after decimal one number, so I am multiplying with numerator and denominator with 10 and 10. So what will I get now? 8250 divided by 25. If you divide with 8250 by 25 means you will get 330 meter. Therefore, the height of the lamp post is 330 meter. Clear, students, all of you? The second problem. Next, we will see the third question. Now, in third question, a vertical stick of length 6 meter casts a shadow 400 centimeter long on the ground. At the same time, a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Using similarity, find the height of the tower they are asking. Okay, what they are saying is, you consider this is sun. To make shadow, I have drawn the sun. It is not coming in the problem. Okay, for understanding, I have drawn the sun. Okay, this is the stick. Okay, the stick shadow is what? 400 centimeter. Similarly, the tower shadow is 28 meter. Based on the similarity, we want to find the height of the tower. Okay, this is also the same as like the second problem. We have seen previously, no? The same as like the second problem. Very easy only. Just we have to say the two triangles are similar. After two triangles are similar, we can write in the corresponding sides are proportional, no? So according to that, we can write. Okay, now we'll solve the problem. So AB, I have taken the height of the stick. Similarly, DE is the height of the tower. So AB is equal to 6 meter. Height of the stick they have given as 6 meter. Then BC. Shadow. The shadow is 400 centimeter. So everything is in meter. So we want to convert the centimeter into meter. So 400 centimeter is equal to, when you convert centimeter into meter, we have to divide with 100, isn't it? So 4 meter we will get. 100 centimeter is equal to what? 1 meter. So 400 centimeter is equal to what? 4 meter. So now BC is equal to 4 meter. DE, this side, height of the tower we don't know, so I have kept as such height, H. E of the shadow is 28 meter. Clear, all of you? Now, if we want to show these two triangles are similar. One more time, I have drawn the two triangles here. Student, I have told you, when you are facing the ground, your angle will be what? 90 degrees. Similarly, the stick is facing the ground, so the angle here is 90 degrees. The tower is in the ground, so there also we are having 90 degrees. So from the sun, it will have what? C is what? Angle of incident. Similarly, this is also angle of reflection. So as we done in the previous problem, the same like only. So if you see this two triangle, angle B is equal to angle E. Why? Both are 90 degree. Then angle C is equal to angle F. Why? Means this both are what? Angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, according to that, the angle C and F are equal. So, by what criteria now it will come? It will come what? AA criteria. Whatever AA criteria, angle criteria says, if two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. So we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, if the two triangles are similar, the corresponding sides are what? Proportional. So how can we write? First we can take AB divided by DE, first two. Next two. BC divided by EF is equal to the first and last. AC divided by DF, like that you can directly write. Okay. Then afterwards AB divided by DE is equal to BC divided by EF. Because we don't have value for AC and DF. So you can write directly from this triangle itself. Okay. One thing is you have to write that ABC means you have to take DEF. You should not change and write EDF like that. You should not change that. If you are writing like that, then you will get wrong here. Okay. Now since we don't have the third value, so we are taking only the first and two. So what is the value of AB means 6. DE value is H is equal to BC value is 4, EF value is 28. So if you cancel, we will get 1 by 4 table 28. How many times it will come? 7 times. So 1 by 7. Then afterwards I have done cross multiplication. 6 into 7 is equal to H. So H is equal to 42 meters. Some 6 sevens are what? 42 meter. Therefore, height of the tower is 42 meter. Clear all of you students? All of you clear? Okay. So in today's topic, what are the things we have learned? We have learned about similarity and congruence. But we have seen only about the similarity problems, isn't it? And we have seen the exercise 4.1, first question, second question and third question. I hope you all understood this. In next class, we will see the remaining problems. Thank you students. Students, this is your assignment of part 1 video. Okay, in part 1 video we have seen about similar so simple problem only I have given you assignment. If you see the assignment, show that triangle PST is similar to triangle PQR. We want to show that the triangle PST is similar to triangle PQR. In first question we are having two subdivision. This is your first subdivision and that is your second subdivision. So students, if you see here, this is only one triangle. From that, how will you make two triangle? You have to take PST. That only they have given PST, and the full triangle is PQR. I have drawn them separately int. This is I have given you int, so that you will do easily. So what is if the two triangles are similar means how can we write the corresponding sides are proportional, isn't it? So I can write P as first two, then here divided by first two. PQ is equal to ST divided by QR is equal to PT divided by PR. We can write the corresponding sides. The corresponding sides are what? Proportional. So according to that you allot the value. So if you don't have, see here ST and QR we don't have value, so leave this one. They consider this two and find whether these two triangles are similar. If you are getting both the sides same value, therefore the two triangles are similar, you have to write. If you are not getting both the sides not equal means you have to write therefore triangle PST is not similar to triangle PQR. The same like that for 1 and 2. Now the second problem is also as like this first problem. They are asking whether triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR question mark they are asking. Whether these two triangles are similar they were asking. Okay. So now you have to do your assignment. This is the only two problem I have given you assignment. Do it neatly and carefully. Try to understand the concept more so that you will be facing more extra concept in next session and all. So 1 or 2 times go through the video. You will be more clear about it. Then thank you children.